This potion will make anybody disappear.
We don't need this. We've got this. Halt and stop! You're not at the top, but you are here for the flop. I know this kind of sounds silly though, but I don't really care. Bruno Sevillano. Sweetie, just so you know, I kind of sprayed what you were allergic to in the bathroom. Are you serious? I just went in the bathroom. Daddy, why'd you sneeze like that? It's nothing to worry about, honey. It's part of my family. I have a genetic disorder. Really? Well, do you want to know something? That's not a girl. That's a boy. Yeah, Daddy. How did you not know I was a boy? I really need this pill. Oh.